हाय गाईज, सर्व यूट्यूब फॅमिलीला माझा नमस्कार. आजचा व्हिडिओ इंग्लिश लँग्वेजमध्ये असेल कारण की बहुतेक स्टुडंट्सनी असं रिक्वेस्ट केली आहे की माझे जे व्हिडिओज असतात ते मराठीमध्ये असतात आणि जे इतर लँग्वेजमधले जी मुलं आहेत, ठीक आहे, ज्यांची मदर टंग दुसरी असेल त्यांना ते समजायला थोडं डिफिकल्ट होतं, थोडं कठीण होतं त्यांच्यासाठी. सो आपला व्हिडिओ हेन्सफोर्थ इंग्लिश हिंदीमध्ये असेल, जेणेकरून सर्वांसाठी ते कम्फर्टेबल असेल. ठीक आहे. सो आज आपण बघणार जसं टॉपिकमध्ये मी लिहिलं. सो नाव वी आर गोइंग टू सी हाऊ टू क्रिएट एक्झिक्युटेबल फाईल. ओके. And how to use it to do the privilege escalation and the things. Okay, so I'm just, due to the lack of bandwidth, I'm going to stop my camera, but I'm going to share the my screen, and I will going to explain you what are the difference between the file, what is how it is executable, and how you should find it as a executable file, and creating or just transferring your file which is executable, how you can share it, and how you can use it for privilege escalation. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. So here I'm sharing the screen. Okay, so to maximize, see, first of all we need terminal. We already have it. Okay, so just there are some files which are there on the desktop. Let me show you. Okay, here are few files. Okay, which are belongs to me, but how I will know that this are which of this file is executable and which is just a file. Okay, so just go to the location. Okay, I'm going home slash Rohan slash desktop. See, I have reached to the desktop. Okay, I am here on a normal my user I am logged to log into. It is Rohan user, not a root user. So when it is when you are login and you want to check, just type a command. Okay, let me clear up all the things. I have reached to the desktop or the location wherever you want to check which file, any file is there which is executable or not, and which user it's belong to. So you can just reach to the destination and type ls space l and hit the enter. See, here is the type of file is there. It is rewritable file. Okay, it's belong to Rohan, it's belong to group Rohan. What is the MB when it is created, and what is the file name and its uh, e- extension, what is the extension file, like dictionary file it is, jpeg file it is. Okay, here the it is not mentioned. So how you will recognize whether it is executable or not? You can see it from here, the type of it. Then you can see it is there is a one executable file. Okay, readme license, it is the executable file I am having. Okay, when how I have identified it, it is, see here, r read write execute, and okay, x, when there is a x in after rw, means read write and then execute, it belongs. Okay, the Rohan can execute this file. Okay, even the group can execute this file here. Okay, only group can read this file. My first file is f society dot dictionary. This file, this first one, is belongs to Rohan, and Rohan can read and write that file. Okay, but the group to which the Rohan belongs to, okay, they can only read this file. Okay, but here, here, readme dot license, it belongs to Rohan. Okay, it is read, write, and Rohan can execute it. Okay, even the group can execute it, and everyone, it has the permission that it is executable. Next, this is the directory which is executable, that means that can be open, that can be read. Okay, it is a folder, because here it is the d mark, d is added, it is a directory. Here I will show you, it is a directory which anyone can open. So this is the things how you can know how, what are, which file it is, how, what are the permission is given to the user, which user it belongs to. See, here there is no file which, from which I can do privilege escalation. To do privilege escalation, I need something, some file, or the, it is like, it should having some rights. Okay, so there are file, number of files which are there in a user bin folder. Okay, in which folder I have said, in user slash bin. Okay, slash user slash bin. Okay, so let's go to that folder. Okay, I'm here clearing the session, clearing the terminal. Okay, now I'm going to the folder cd slash usr user slash bin. Okay, here I've gone. Here I'm reading the files. Here are the number of files which can be, eh, which are executable. See, in red it is marked, it is, they are executable. Okay, so if you want to check which users it belongs to, you can just have to type the command. Okay, I'm just clearing it so that you can view it, okay, properly. Okay, in here also I am putting a command l plus. This command is to check what are the rights, the files, and the file to whom it belongs to. Okay, see, most of the files belongs to root. Okay, all the files, if I'm using these files, but can Rohan execute this file? See, I am going to the uh, file. Okay, here, bash file. Okay, let's see, and let's try to execute the bash file. Here it is. Okay, see, I'm going to execute this file. You know, for bash means it is a terminal. Okay, it is executable, group can execute. Okay, everyone. Okay, let's Rohan do not belongs to the group root. Okay, Rohan do not belongs to the group administrator group. So can Rohan execute this file? Let's check whether Rohan can execute this file or not. To do so, I'm just typing dot slash bash and hitting the enter. See, this is executed, but if you can see on my desktop, there is no bash file, so I will just copy it. Okay, let's try to copy it, bash file, to, as it is executable and it is having the root permission. Can I copy that file on a desktop or not? Let's see. Okay, so I'm clearing the terminal again. Okay, I'm typing the command cp copy. Okay, bash bash file 2 slash home slash rohan slash desktop. Okay, and hitting enter. Now let's check the desktop whether the bash file is there. Yes, there is a bash file on a desktop. Let's go to the desktop now. Okay, cd slash, I'm just copying it from the above so that I do not waste the time. Okay, here I'm going to the go to desktop, and again I'm typing the command ls to check whether, see, the bash file which was there in a user bin folder was having the root permission, but now on a desktop the file bash file which I have copied from user bin folder to desktop is not having the root permission. See, it belongs to rohan and it belongs to group also is a rohan. Okay, it is executable. If someone is executing, what access it will get? It will get the access of the rohan, not the root. Okay, so to do so I have to copy this from a root user. Okay, so that I see, just take a screenshot of it for your further case study. Okay, so that you can find the difference between it. Okay, again I am just, okay, I just make this terminal over here. Something happens. I have shifted on a second screen or what. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem at all. We will we will again, I will open the terminal. So I'm just show you again that on the desktop, cd slash home slash row slash desktop. Okay, here ls.l, this, okay, again I am making it short so that we can compare. See here, it's a bash file which is having rohan. Okay, here it is. Again I'm going to open the another terminal. Now I am going to, okay, s- log in from root user. See, okay, now I'm there at using the root user. Now I'm going to copy the same file on a desktop, but the difference you will notice in the result. Let me copy it. Okay, so copy slash user slash bin slash bash file we have copied. Okay, to same. Okay, no, here I am going to enter home slash rohan slash desktop. Okay, so hitting enter, let me check whether we have got the another one. Okay, it may be replaced. Let me check once again. Okay, so I'm typing the command over here l, and let me check. Sorry, I have to go to desktop, cd slash home slash rohin slash desktop, and ls hyphen l, and now it is still, it is there. Let me copy it to some other folder. Okay, I will copy it to rohin documents. Okay, in documents I will copy it. So cp slash usr user slash bin slash bash. Okay, then home slash rohan slash documents. Okay, and hitting enter. In, let me go to the folder where the document is. Okay, cd. Okay, we are in the documents folder where we have copied the bash file, and now let's check the results where it is, eh, we have copied or not. See guys, here you can just see the result. Okay, let me, here it is, the bash file which is on the desktop we have copied from the rohan. That's why the user, the group, the file, it belongs to user. But when we are doing it, it is same thing from the root user. It is belongs to root. It is executable. Okay, but it belongs to you, root. But still now, it is not, this we cannot use in the victim's machine, because it is still belongs to me, it still belongs to my pc. It cannot be executed from some other's pc. Okay, so to do so, I'm closing this terminals. I hope you had the clarity now. Okay, the difference between the when, how we have to copy, what are the difference and how it is. So see, both the files we have copied from user bin, but while copying we have used the two different user, one is root and the another one is rohan. Okay, so now this is belongs to root user. If someone is, if I am executing the bash file, I am executed, my system will consider it is executed from the root, not from rohan. Even if from root I am using a root terminal, if I am executed the file which is on the desktop, which is belongs to rohan, the system will consider that the bash, the terminal, is executed from rohan. Let me execute that file. Okay, let me execute that file. I'm going to cd. Okay, slash home slash rohan slash desktop. Okay, and I am executing the bash. Okay, sorry, bash. See, if it is executed, but it is, the system will treat it, it is not executed from root, it will show you it as, it will treat it as the rohan. Okay, this is the difference between the owner of the files is, the is very important when you are making such files for doing privilege escalation. This such kind of files can be used for privilege escalation when you do not find, you got a terminal but you do not find any file to do, so you can transfer this file. But before transferring, okay, I'm just closing this terminal. Okay, and let me maximize this and clear it. Now you have seen the owner. Okay, let's change the mode and everyone can use it. To change the mode, okay, to make it proper file, proper executable file, still this file is belongs to my root user. Okay, it cannot be executed from some other system. So to do that we have to change the mode. To change mode, we have to use chmod, then 777. That is the syntax used for everyone. You can use it here and help. Okay, this you can use h. Okay, uh chmod chmod hyphen help. See, here are the commands, the syntax which you can use it for chmod command. Okay, in deep here you can find the you know the user manuals of this command, or you can search it what are the syntax I am going to use. Okay, see here it is there. Okay, each mode is of the form ugoa. Okay, and rw executable, then user, then plus minus 0 to 7. Okay, and then this all this stuff. To understand this, you have to learn the article which I am going to share in a description. Okay, so I am clearing it again. Okay, let's change the mode of it. To do that, chmod command. Okay, then 777, and the file, that file is bash. Okay, so now, you can see. Okay, it was so sorry, I have changed the mode of the desktop. I have to change the mode of the document, the file which is there in the documents. Let me show you the file. Okay, see, here is the document. Here it, you can see it is secured one. Okay, so when, so here I am putting the terminal. Okay, I'm clearing it. When I'm changing the mode of it. Okay, change mode 777, and the file where it is located slash home slash ruhin slash documents and bash file. Okay, now you will see the lock which was there is disappeared. It is now, it is anyone can use this file in any system. We can use it, and it will belongs to the root user of any system, of any system. So how to use this file, I've already written the article. Let me show you the article. How, see, you can go to my medium. Okay, see here, I have used in this article the server hacking using NFS server and command injection. Here I have used the same trick which I am talking about. Okay, you can go through this article. See, here are the, already there is a bash file which I am going to transfer it to other. Okay, to victim machine. Okay, and then I'm going to have the privilege escalation and how I've used it. So you can go through this article. Okay, in all of that, all of the articles, I hope in this also I have done the let me check, vsftpd. Here also I have used the same. Okay, I have transferred the malicious file. Okay, I guess, and I have done the privilege escalation in this article. So you can go through my articles which are there on the medium. Okay, I will share that. So this is how, what is the difference. So see, after changing the mode, the secured lock which was there on a bash file is gone, and this now you can transfer it to the victim machine, where you cannot find anything to anything which is vulnerable. Okay, so you can use this file. Okay, so This is how we can use. Okay, now I'm just closing the terminal. Let me close this terminals and all. Okay, let me close this also. Let me, okay, this is how I can now see. This is very simple. uh, you have I've shown you how what is the difference if you copied it from a normal user, and what and if you have copied it from the root user, what are the difference. And then also, if when you copy it from the root user, then also it is secured. On to change that, to remove that securedness, you have to change the mode to normal mode, and to uh, the command which I have shared with you, that is a command you can use to change the mode to that, uh, to that file. Okay, and this is how you can use it. I hope my voice is there clear. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm using my laptop now and I'm doing all this thing. Okay, I'm not using any lights and all because I'm totally exhausted today, but there was a request, so the video I have created, and I hope I have covered all the things. Okay, and I have also shared the articles how you can use such kind of file. You can use NFS or you can use SSH connection. If you get the shell access of a normal user, or if you get the access of NFS server, there you can uh, copy paste the bash file. Okay, to get the vulnerable things, and from shell access you can do the privilege escalation to get the root access. So I hope I have covered all the things which are required as per the title. Okay, and this is the file. You can use it for privilege escalation. To do so, I'm currently not having any lab where I can use that, but this is the things I we can do. So I'm ending up the video here, and I will hope you like it, and if you like this video, just hit the like button. Okay, and if you are new on my channel, just hit the subscribe button, and also the bell icon, because bell icon will give you the notification of the new videos. So stay tuned with me and keep learning, guys. Do ethical hacking, but for a ethical way, not an unethical way. So keep hacking.